Hello and welcome back. In last session, we learned about how to make the level height, how to change these names, and how to set up our project. Now that we have our project, we can go in the ground floor and we can start making our wall. In this session, we are going to learn about how to make wall and how to do changes or modify the walls. In order to make a wall, first go to the ground floor. It should look like this. Then click on this wall icon in the under the architectural tab. In architecture, you will find this wall here. Click here. You see there is a basic wall. You can click on this drop down to see various types of walls depending of what type of wall do you want, or you can make a new type of wall as well if you want. We'll learn about that later on. For now, I have selected this one. This is an external wall, 102 brickwork, 75 insulation, 100 block work, and 12 plastering, as in 12 is the thickness of the plastering. So uh, I'll select this wall. Now the location line, I want this wall to be the finish face of this wall to be exterior, so that the plaster is on the external edge rather than inside. Now base constraint, I want this wall to start from where? Ground floor. So base constraint it from where I want this wall to get started. Then top constraint, as in till what point I want this wall to go. So till the roof. So as you can see, our total height was 5400. So it is unconnected height 5400. Since we don't have any roof yet, so that is why it's unconnected height. Now don't forget to, now since you, whenever you have made all the changes like this, don't forget to click apply, since it was already set in. So this apply button is not here. Right, once you are done with this, click on wall, click on, now make a basic wall. Don't worry about the dimension, we can obviously change it anytime. It's just for example. So click in here, click here, and click here. Press escape key after you are done. So see, your walls are done. If you click on any wall, you'll see the dimensions here between this wall and this wall. Let's say you want to measure the dimension from the exterior of this wall. So click on these buttons you see here. I'll zoom in these buttons. So go here, select the edge, leave it, and then you want the dimension from this wall exterior to the exterior of this wall. So click on this button again, go down and hover till you get this blue line. You see this blue line here? So when you, I'll zoom in. So when you go near the bottom, you will see this blue line. So click on this blue button. Click on this, hover over the lines and click on this blue line and you will get this dimension done. Similarly, you can see the dimension of all these points and change according to how you want it. So let's say this blue, I want it to be till here. Now any of the dimension that you want there to be permanently, you can click here, this button. This will make this temporary dimension as permanent, as it says, make this temporary dimension permanent. So click on here. If you click outside, see this dimension is still there. So I have deleted that because I don't need it for now. Or you can change the dimension of this wall itself by clicking on this. Or let's say you want this to be 14800. The dimension will change automatically. Similarly, you can click here, you can change these dimension, let's say 8000, it will change automatically. Or you can directly drag these lines as well, like so. Yeah, this is not a very good way, but you can see this dimension changing as we are moving it. Right, so to see the elevation of this, what you have drawn right now, go to project browser, you can click on east, double click on that, and you'll see the elevations. All different elevations can be seen from here. Yeah. Now if you want to see this in 3D, you can go on top, you'll see a home button. Just next to the home button, you'll see a default 3D view. You can click on there and you'll have a 3D view here as well. Yeah. Or you can click here, unlock 3D view. Now in 3D view, if you press shift button and the middle mouse button, then you can rotate this as well to see it from all the sides. Yeah. Some things we learned in the last session, like if you want to hide this wall, you can click in here, click on this glasses and you'll see this hide element, so you can see behind it as well, or you can do reset temporary hide, so it will come up. So these were the basics of wall. I'll see you in the next session. Thank you.